SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off cellular data on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone can connect to the internet when you're connected to a cellular or mobile network. This allows you to do things like download emails or send pictures to people when you're not connected to a Wi-Fi network. But if you find that you're using a lot of data and it's causing you overages, or if you're going to be traveling and you're worried about cellular data charges there, then you can turn off cellular data by opening the Settings app. You can then choose the cellular option near the top of this screen, and then you can tap the button to the right of cellular data to turn it off. Now this means that when you're connected to a cellular network, you can't use any data, which means that you won't be able to download emails and you won't be able to use iMessage. Note that you can still use data if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. This simply turns it off for when you're connected to a cellular network.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.